Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kashipur location. It is from Uttarakhand. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Green Media Solutions. They are looking for UX or UI or graphic design intern. Coming to the job duration, that is internship duration, it will be 6 months. And coming to the primary responsibilities, like gather and evaluate user requirements in collaboration with the product managers and engineers, translate concepts into wireframes and mockups that lead to user experiences, and facilitate product vision by researching, conceiving, wireframing, sketching, prototyping and mocking up user experiences for digital products, and illustrate design ideas using storyboards, process flows and sitemaps. These are some primary responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the perks, like they will provide internship certificate, opportunity to get hired for a full-time role, and they will provide you a letter of recommendation, and the flexible working hours will be there, like 6 hours a day or 36 hours a week. These are the perks for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for graphic designer in FIED IIM. Coming to the skill sets required, like the candidates should have skills like Corel, Photoshop, Illustrator. Coming to the responsibilities and requirements, like the candidate will be required to design posters, pamphlets, brochures, trifolds, banners, etc. And the candidate is required to complete the task assigned to him or her in a time-bound manner. And the candidate should have at least 2 years of experience in graphic designing, like poster, brochure, flyers, newsletters, certificates, booklets, etc. These are the responsibilities and requirements for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for internal store promoter in Pine Labs. Coming to the job responsibilities, like conduct EMI training with store staff and store managers, and regular visits to the market to maintain a good relationship with the stakeholders, drive EMI values out of the portfolio assigned, achieve monthly targets, conduct market analysis and communicate the competitors' marketing initiatives, collaborate with team members to achieve better results, and gather feedback from customers and share with internal teams. These are some job responsibilities. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for computer operator cum office assistant in Lohar Engineering and Construction Private Limited. Coming to the salary, it will ranges from 10 to 15,000 per month. And if you see requirements and skill sets, like candidate must have excellent computer knowledge for this post, and candidates who have done diploma or degree in this field of computer science can apply for this post. And the candidates must also have good knowledge of English communication, and the candidates must have knowledge of data, research and analysis on the internet. These are some requirements and skill sets required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Executive Assistant to CEO in Nidish Technologies Private Limited. Coming to the job responsibilities, like manage calendar and appointments, manage communication with the client on a Slack channel and they will be trained, and coordinate with team and take status report and report to manager. And these are job responsibilities, and for this job role IT background candidates will be preferred, and it is a full-time job or internship, and freshers also eligible for this job role, and salary ranges from 12,000 per month. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for microbiologist quality assurance in Daksh services. Coming to the job roles and responsibilities, like sampling and microbiological analysis of all the incoming RMS and PMS and outgoing FGS, and handling and calibration of all the microbiological instruments and equipments, and microbiology of water, hand and product contact surfaces, swab, and environmental air, and microbiological data entry and record keeping, media handling and consumption record keeping, and verification of effectiveness of cleaning by allergen swab stick, and shelf life study of SQS, and handling RMS, PMS, and FGS with high microbiological load. These are some roles and responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the qualifications, like the candidates should be BSc or MSc in microbiology, and coming to experience, like 1 to 2 years experience candidates can apply, and the salary ranges from 20 to 25,000 per month. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive in PSR Innovations LLP. And coming to the education required, like master's degree is preferred, and coming to experience, like 2 years of total work experience is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for graphic designer in Lohar Engineering and Construction Private Limited. And if you see job responsibilities, like poster making, video editing, content writing, and office management. And this job type is full time and contract, and salary ranges from 18 to 25,000 per month. And coming to the education required, like bachelor's degree is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.